How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video here on the channel, and today we're just going to be doing a quick little sound comparison between the stock Predator 212 muffler that comes on it when you buy it from Harbor Freight versus a header, a straight pipe race header that you can get from various part sources. The one I got is from OMB Warehouse, and I think they call this a J-pipe header. And then it also comes with a screw-on muffler. So what we're going to do is we're going to see how loud the stock muffler is I have an app on my phone that I can measure the decibels with. So we'll start it up, let it idle, see what that is, and then we'll rev it up a little bit for a few seconds. We'll take the old muffler off, put this on, see how the sound level is with just the header, and then also with the header and the muffler. So how I'm going to do this is I have the camera positioned probably about 4 feet behind the go-kart right now, and I'm going to take each sound reading right at the position of the camera. So I'll have it on my phone here. It's going to be out of focus because I have it focused on the go-kart, but I'll be able to read you guys what the sound is when we idle it and then also when we rev it up a little bit. I'll start it up. Restart. Okay, so without me talking, the thing is reading about 48 decibels. So we're just going to kind of use that as the baseline. I don't know if that's actually right because it's like pretty quiet minus this cricket in the background. Oh, Matt's going to go scare it. Okay. So it's right about 49 with no talking. So we're just going to use that as the baseline. I have no idea if that's right, but we'll see how far up it goes from that baseline. So why don't you go ahead and start it up, Matt. So about 73 with the stock muffler at idle. Okay, so with the choke off, the idle is at so still right around 70, 71. So go ahead and give it some gas, Matt. Just hold it like constant for like 2 seconds. No, hold it. That was a fail. All right, go ahead. Stay where? Go. Okay, so with gas, we're looking about 88, 89 decibels. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the stock muffler, which will be interesting since it's really hot right now. And then we'll throw on the new header, measure it without the screw-on muffler, and then measure it with the screw-on muffler. And then you guys will know how loud it is in case you wanna get a header for your own go-kart. Okay, so we finally got the new header on after some modification to the flange. Unfortunately, I don't know what it is. I bought this one from OMB Warehouse, and if you guys are watching this from OMB Warehouse, your flange does not bolt up to the bolts on the stock Predator 212 head, so I had to kind of drill out the holes. So take note of that if you're going to buy from OMB Warehouse. But I mean, it's tight, really tight, and it seems that it made a good seal, so there shouldn't be any leaks, but who knows, I might have to get a new gasket at some point. But so we got that on, so we're going to do a test now with just the header, no screw-on muffler. All right, yeah, hit it, Matt. Idle. There you go. Okay, so at idle with the new one, it's 90. So give it some gas now. Shut it off. That was 103. Okay, so now we got the screw-on muffler attached, so let's go ahead and get the sound level with that guy on. Alright, Matt, hit it. So 80, okay. So I think that muffler actually helped quite a bit. Because that was about, I think tops was like 97. Alright, so as you guys can see, this screw-on muffler actually decreases the sound quite a bit. Now a lot of you might wonder, why would you want it quieter? Well, I live in a neighborhood here where I like to drive it around, and my neighbors might not like it as loud as I do, so it helps to have this to screw on in case you want to quiet it down a little bit.
Where's the checkered flag?
Snapchat. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this quick little video on the sound comparison between the stock Harbor Freight muffler versus the aftermarket J-pipe header with the screw-on muffler. So, hope you guys enjoyed that, seeing the comparison. Did you just touch something hot?
Nope.
Yeah, you did.
Nope.
He burned himself.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe.
So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any comments or questions about the setup with the exhaust or anything on the go-kart, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. So thanks again, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
There goes a sight from my soul.